Hello my fellow weirdos. Today we're making apple crumb pie. For starters, we're going to line our 9-inch pie plate with our pie crust. You can use whatever recipe you'd prefer, but check out my golden peach pie video to see how I make mine. Just click the I in the top right. Now that we got our crust ready to go, we're going to take a large bowl with 6 cups of tart apples that have been peeled and chopped, which is about 6 medium apples. Use whatever tarty apples you like, but I am going to be using Granny Smith. In our bowl of apples, we're going to mix in 2 tablespoons of sour cream, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, a half a cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, 8 drops of lemon essential oil or 4 teaspoons of lemon juice, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Once they're well combined, we're going to gently spoon the mixture into our pastry shell. Next, in a small bowl, we're going to combine a half a cup of all-purpose flour, a half a cup of sugar, and 1/4 cup of cold butter. Once we're done mixing them and have our crumbly mix, we're going to sprinkle it over the filling. Next, we're going to bake our pie at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 to 50 minutes, or until the filling is bubbly and our apples are tender to the touch. Let it cool on a wire rack and serve warm. Can either serve it straight or with some ice cream, whichever you prefer. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. I make new videos every week and you really don't want to miss out. I'll see you in the next video, and in the meantime, keep being your awesomely weird selves. Bye!